learning insects, and today I brought my little friend, Mr. Tiger. Say hello! We are going to visit with him many animals. First, we are going to the cold and snowy Arctic. Now, can you see a white polar bear standing on the iceberg? Where is polar bear? Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. Hello, Mr. Polar Bear, big and white. We also have here penguins and a whale. Look, there is a seal. So many animals I saw today. Next, we are going to the jungles. Or no, it's a forest. Now we meet the first insects in this book. It's a worm. Can you see the pink worm peeping out of the soil? Here it is. Hello, Mr. Worm. And also we have a red ladybug. Also we can see here animals which are brown. It's an owl, a monkey, a gorilla, and a rabbit. Now, say bye-bye to them. We're going to the next part. Under the sea. What animals live under the sea? Can you see the red fish swimming in the sea? Look, how many fish do we have here? 1, 2, and 3, and one more big 4, and an octopus and a crab. These are sea animals. And also we have here green animals. To repeat green color, what animals are green? We have frog and a snake. Okay, let's go on. Who is here? Can you see the gray elephant splashing in the mud? Elephants like splashing in the mud. One elephant and the second elephant, and also, who is here? Who is here? It's a zebra, white and black zebra. And also we have animals and insects here which are yellow. What insects do we see here? Bees, yellow and black. What animals we have here which are yellow? Lion, giraffe, and tortoise. Okay, that's all here. Let's continue. Where else will our tiger go today? We are in a rainforest. Can you see the orange tiger looking for his mommy? Where is poor tiger? Here it is. A tiger. And we also have here insects. What insects can you see? Do you know them already? Spider, ants, and a snail. Little grilled snail. Hello. Okay. And the last place we're going to visit today. Can you see the blue parrots flying above the trees? Hello, parrots! See, 1 and 2 parrots. And there is one little yellow butterfly. So what insects did we see today with you? We saw ants, spiders, butterflies, worm, wiggling worm, and bees. That's all. Thank you for your attention and thank you that you joined my journey today. Goodbye. And now we are going to see these animals and we are going to learn where they live. I have here forest, jungle, Arctic, and sea. Let's start with the forest. What animals can live in the forest? Look at all the animals that we have here and let's find somebody. I can see a fox. Fox lives in the forest. red fox. Here we will put her in the forest. Next to the fox will live a wolf. Where is our wolf? Here it is. Wolf and fox live in the forest. And I have a bear. Bear also lives in the forest. And the last who can live, it's a squirrel. Squirrel also lives in the forest. Now let's change the rules a little bit. I will choose the animal and we will see where it lives. For example, lion. Where does the lion live? In the sea? No. In the Arctic? No, it's too cold. In the jungle. Lion lives in the jungle or in the rainforest. Next, I will take an octopus. Octopus lives in the Arctic? No, it's too cold. It lives in the sea, under the water. Octopus. Next, I have a pufferfish. Pufferfish, as it is a fish, it lives in the sea. Next, let's take a penguin. Where does the penguin live? Maybe in the jungle? No, it's too hot. Penguins like cold weather, so penguins live in the Arctic. Next, let's take a turtle. Where does the turtle live? Turtle can live under the water and they can live in the jungle. There are different kinds of the turtles. Next, let's take a blue whale, big fish. Yes, whales are big. Whale lives in the Arctic, where it is cold. They can also live somewhere where it is warm, but our whale lives in the Arctic. Next, I have a stingray. Stingray lives under the water. He needs water to live, so he lives in the sea. Stingray. Next, who is it? A little elephant. Where does the elephant live? Under the water? No. He likes water, but he lives in the jungle. Elephant. Next, we have left a walrus. Walrus is big and fat, so he's not afraid of cold, so he lives in the Arctic. Walrus. See, he has big tusks. Walrus. Next, we have left a giraffe. Giraffe likes warm weather, so he lives in the jungle where it is sunny and warm. And we have left a bird. Its name is seagull. Seagulls can live in many places. Even in our country, we can see seagulls. Here, seagulls lives in Arctic. And last, I have a shell. Shells we can see under the water, so we will put it in the sea. That's all. I hope you enjoyed our game. Okay, as you remember, in our book we also sorted animals according to their color. And I have a task. The question in this task is, bear, what do you see? And we have animals. We need to put each animal to its color. And our bear will help us. So, bear, what do you see? I see a purple cat. Purple cat. Our bear sees a purple cat. So we need to put our cat to the purple circle. Where is it? Here it is. Glue it and stick our purple cat to the purple circle. Next, bear, what do you see? I see an orange fish. Here it is. Our bear sees an orange fish. Let's find orange circle. Here it is. And stick our orange fish. Here we go. Next, bear, what do you see? I see a white dog. Here it is, a white dog, white color. Let's find white circle and stick our white dog. Here it is. I'm sticking white dog and purple cat. Next, bear. What do you see? I see a yellow duck. Yellow duck. Where is our yellow circle? Yellow circle, yellow duck. Next, bear. What do you see? I see a green frog. A green frog goes on the green circle. Green circle, green frog. Next, bear. What do you see? I see a black sheep. Black sheep. Black sheep on the black circle. Black sheep and white dog. Black and white. Next, bear. What do you see? I see a red bird. A red bird on the red circle. A red bird. Red circle. Next, bear. What do you see? I see a blue horse. Blue horse. Can you imagine? We have a blue horse. Have you ever seen blue horses? I have never seen blue horses, but we have here blue horse on the blue circle. And there is one more left. Bear. What do you see? Oh, I see a bear. But this bear is not like our bear. Our bear is pink and this bear is brown. So we will put it on the brown circle. Let's repeat all colors now together. White, black, orange, red, yellow, blue, green, purple, and brown bear. That's all. Thank you. Now guys, we are going to sort our animals like in the book. We are going to put some, here we are going to put animals that live on land, and here we are going to put animals that live under the water. We had animals that live in the forest, in jungles, in Arctic. Here it will be easier. Now, let's start. First animal which I have, who remembers, it's a big fish. It's a whale, blue big whale. Whale is a fish, so does it live on land? No, of course, it needs water. It lives under the water. So we are going to stick it here. Here we go. Next animal that I have is a lion, the king of the animals, lion. Lion lives, that's right, on the land. Here we go, lion. Next, I have, what I have here, a dolphin. Dolphin is a fish, so it also lives under the water because it needs place to swim, and we can swim only in water. So dolphin lives under the water. Next, let's take, who is it? Jellyfish. Jellyfish, does it have something to walk with? No, it can't live on land. It lives under the water because it needs to swim somewhere. Next, one more big animal. It's elephant. Elephant, where does it live? It lives, that's right, on the land. It likes water. It can be in water sometimes, but it lives on land because it needs to walk. Next, I have a starfish. Starfish lives, see, we have fish, so we understand that it lives under the water because all the fish live under the water. It needs place to swim.
Next, I have a zebra. Stripy black and white zebra. Zebra, it has legs, so it needs to walk, and it needs place to walk, so it lives on the land. That's right. Next, I have a crab. Pinch, pinch. Crab lives under the water. That's right. It's a sea animal. It lives under the water. Next, what do we have? A squirrel. Where does the squirrel live? Squirrel lives in the forest. Where are the forests? The forests are on the land. Wait. Here we go. Next, I have two small, nice shells. Shells, where can we find shells? In the sea. So shells also live under the water. That's where we can find. We can find them sometimes on the beach, but they come from water. Next, we have fox. Again, like a squirrel, fox lives in the forest. Forest is on land, so we will stick our fox in this column. Next, I have an octopus. Octopus, it has many legs, but he doesn't walk with these legs. He swims. Where do animals swim? They swim underwater. That's right. So we will stick octopus into this cup. Next, I have a tiger. Tiger, he can swim, but he lives in the jungle on the land. So we will stick him. We will stick? Yes, we will stick him here. Okay. Next, I have a hedgehog. Hedgehog. Hedgehog lives in the forest, so we will stick him in this cup. Here we go. He lives on land. Next, I have one more. Seahorse. Seahorse doesn't have legs. It can't jump. It swims. So it lives under the water with fish. And the last animal I have is a rabbit. Where does the rabbit live? It hops, it jumps, it lives on the land. It doesn't swim. So now we know that animals, most of them live on land and another half lives under the water. That's all. Thank you.